For investing, what effect does taxation have on compounding returns? How much money can you lose? Albert Einstein once said about compound interest, "The most powerful force in the universe is compound interest. It is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who does not pays it."
They say the eighth wonder of the world is compound interest, aka compound returns, which makes your greatest enemy high fees. If you'd invested $100K for the last 30 years and earned 8%, you'd have over $1 million. But pay a 2% fee every year, like many mutual funds, and you'd only end up with this, $400,000 less.
Wow.
So, if you understand it, you'll earn it. But if you don't,
You'll pay for it.
I previously spoke about compounding interest and gave an example of $1 doubling every day to get $536 million. Well, I want to illustrate how important it is to earn income on an after-tax basis, or a pre-tax basis, or better, a non-tax basis. So when you take that $536 million and double it from $1 to $536 million in 30 days, that is without tax on a doubling every year. Now let's introduce a 30% tax. For example, that first day you made $1, you invested $1, and it made $2, it doubled. However, let's say you put tax in there and now it went to $1.70. So the next day you had $3.40, a doubling of $1.70, and there was tax on that. Do that all the way down and tax every day's gain by 30%. How much money do you think you would have in 30 days? What happened is that you will calculate that you don't have 536 million after tax in 30 days. You'll have 4.8 million. Now I'm going to say that again. You'll have $4.8 million if you double it with a 30% tax rate. No tax, $536 million. Now that's a powerful number you should really hang on to, and reason why taxation is an investment killer. When I do wealth structuring, I want to put as much money into the non-tax economy, the non-economy I call it sometimes, rather than leaving it into the tax economy or the economy. So I try to put my clients into wealth products that don't attract taxation, not only during the times of growth, but during the times of taking that money out of the investments. That's what I try to do, completely avoid the whole tax system for my clients.